Hi everyone, I wanted to talk to you about the new Starter Kit Special. We have an awesome celebration special from now until the end of February 2025. Both starter kits are only $99. With option 1, you get to put $125 in your choice of product in your starter kit. Plus, you will get to choose 2 marker sets from our Stampin Write Markers collection. We have the beautiful subtles that are perfect for spring. We have the Brights collection that are like lots of summer colors. I like to think the Regals are kind of more the fall colors. And of course, you cannot be without neutrals for your grays and blacks and browns. So you get to choose 2 of those marker sets. Plus, Stampin' Up! Will also include the Handmade Designs Stamp Set. And I just made this card yesterday with that stamp set and with the markers. And look at the back. I put the little stamp handmade by, and I put my name on the back. It is so cute. So that starter kit is a $216 value for only $99. Now, option number 2 is a little simpler, and that is you get $155 worth of product for only $99. That's $30 more than normal, and that's $56 in free product. So that's a $155 value for only $99. Option 1 has more value than option 2, but option 2 is more customizable. So choose whatever option works for you. So why should you get the starter kit during Celebration 2025? Well, of course, the number one reason I already told you is you've got 2 starter kit specials to choose from. Number 2 is there's lots of new products to choose from. We have a new mini catalog in the January to April mini catalog. We have new online exclusives. We have a scrapbooking brochure that just released. Plus, we have 3 new kits. Any of those things you can put in your starter kit. Number 3, the starter kit ships for free, and that's the only way you can get free shipping right now. Number 4, you'll get a 20% discount on Stampin' Up! Products until at least the end of June, and that benefit is renewable. Number 5, you get to see and order from new product lines early, so like the online exclusives and our new catalogs. The next early order period will be in February with some more new online exclusives. Number 6, you get insider access to Stampin' Up! You get to find out Stampin' Up! News early, and you get to attend events. Number 7, you'll get all my tutorials free when you get the starter kit with me. I have over 80 tutorials to choose from, and I just started releasing new exclusive tutorials again. Number 8, enjoy your starter kit worry-free. There are no obligations, and you don't have to sell. Number 9, there is something for everyone. There's something for hobbyists, there's something for business starters, and there's something for everyone in between. Everyone is welcome. And number 10 is you get to be part of my Bee Stampers family. We have a private Facebook group. We have online team stamping nights and meetings. We have card swaps, challenges, and prizes. And those are all optional, but I would love for you to be part of my team and participate in all of those things. So just as a recap, the starter kit special, you get to choose from 2 options for your $99 starter kit. Option 1 includes $125 in your choice of product, 2 marker sets, the Handmade Designs Stamp Set. Option 2 includes your choice of $155 in product. So you can choose the one that works best for you. For more information, look up here on my screen. You look at qbsquest.com/join, and I have a page all about the starter kit. And if you have any questions at all, please feel free to email me, brendaqstamps@gmail.com. And if you would prefer to talk over the phone, just send me an email, and I will send you my phone and my phone number, and we can chat over the phone too. So I hope you will join my Bee Stampers team in 2025. Bye for now.